Welcome to the Make-at-Home Pottery Club. I'm Fiona Booy. This video is part of my Christmas Winter series where I'm going to show you a few things like how to make Christmas decorations and gift tags, how to make a Christmas gift, a nice little tea light holder, and a couple of make-it-at-home winter projects. So all you need to do is grab some clay, come and join me and make it at home.
Do you want to build a snowman?
Today's video, you guessed it, we're going to make a snowman. You're going to need a ball of clay, a paintbrush, a pointy stick, a mat to work on, some water and your fingers. Now to make your snowman, we're going to make it out of pinch pots. We'll start with our ball of clay. We're going to break it into half. And the best way to do that is to twist it. And we're going to put one half aside and keep the other half out. So this is going to be the big body of the snowman. Now, very important when you're working with clay is that you don't use solid lumps. So the first thing we're going to do is make a pinch pot, which basically is this hollowed out. So to get started, we've got our ball, we've patted it into a nice round shape. We're going to use our thumb and we're going to squish it in like that. And then we're going to go round in a nice circle so that we are hollowing out a nice hole there. When you're working with clay, you don't want anything to actually be thicker than your finger because then it doesn't dry very well and it's too heavy and cumbersome. So we're going to smooth this out in a very nice pinch pot way to get the body of our snowman. When we're done, we can tap it, and that just makes it nice and flat at the bottom. You now have one ball left, and what you're going to do is half it. Again, we're going to twist it, and so we have these two pieces. So again, it's very important that when you put the head on, it is not a solid ball. Once again, you need your thumb, and you need your clay, and you're going to stick your thumb in and hollow out that little hole. And then you're going to pat it, and you have a head. Now, it's really important how you join pieces together. You don't get special clay glue. What you do get is your pointy stick and some water. So what we need to do is, I'm going to just make a little mark around there so I can see where it is that I need to go. And I'm going to do a whole bunch of marks. I'm going to do little crosses, little hashtags, so lines this way and lines this way with my pointy stick. On both sides, I'm going to put water on and then squish it together, and that makes it really firm. You want to make sure is that your hands are pushing from both sides. Now you see I'm squishing it on and I'm using my thumb on the outside and my finger on the inside to join them together nicely. So here you can see I've joined it and I've smoothed it out. The next thing to do is to make sure that there is a hole that goes through the head to the body. So you can use your paintbrush or your finger and just wiggle it up inside so you can see there that there's a hole all the way through and it can then dry. Now what you want to do is decorate. So hats, carrots, buttons, scarf, all sorts of bits and pieces. Remember, of course, anytime you're going to join two pieces of clay together, you will need to do hashtag and water and then squish it together with your fingers on both sides.
What time it is? Because it's joke time.
What does Snowman use to get around?